Hey there, my YouTube fam. Today I'm going to teach you this look that looks so dramatic and smoky. I will try my best to teach you as simple method as I can. Let's get started. This brush is from Morphe Brushes, taking this shade from Morphe 39S palette. Starting off by applying the shade on my lid. This is my standard technique for applying any shade. Here I am covering my lid with the shade gradually. On to the other eye. This tapered blending brush is from Morphe Brushes. Taking this shade called Vortex from Huda Beauty's Mercury Retrograde palette. While filming, I thought that this palette has more shades, so I switched to it, applying the shade and dragging it in the upward direction. By this technique, it will give a smoky vibe to your eye makeup. Make sure that both of my eye makeup is well balanced. This brush is from Morphe Brushes. And taking this shade Hot Mess, blending my crease with a shade. Again, taking Vortex, darkening my lid with the shade to make it look more defined. This brush is from Morphe Brushes. Taking this shade of Balanced, blending my crease with the shade. Same on the other eye. Again, taking the Hot Mess, enhancing my crease as well. This brush is from BH Cosmetics. And taking this shade from BH Cosmetics highlighting palette, applying it to my brow bone. I love how this highlighting shade complements the look. Wow. This mascara is from Essence Cosmetics, applying it to my eyelashes. This brush is from Morphe Brushes, taking this shade and smoking out my lower lash line. This brush is from the Retrograde, taking the shade Cosmic and highlighting the inner corner of my eye. This is the complete look. I hope you all like it. I would love to see your inspired or recreated look from me. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.